Back to my channel, and I've already made a video, but it was too short. So I've already put my school glue in. Oh, and I'm like in the slide, and my shaving cream, my eyeshadow, and baking soda. So I'm just gonna stir this. It is creamy. It's creamy. So let me make sure this is all. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. Hold on. This is gonna be my unicorn slime. So I need glitter and paint. This is pink. Hold on. Okay. Let me stir this up. Ooh, this is gonna be a pretty color. This is gonna be a really big slime. Look how thick it is. It's so big. She's thick, bro. Oh, this is such a lovely color. Oh, perfect. This is such a pretty color. Bubblegum color. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add my contact solution. Whew, this is nerve-wracking. It's so much slime. 1, 2, 3. Let's hope it only needs 3. Oh, guys. Yeah, it's not slime yet. It's still really creamy. It's like whipped cream. Oh, now it's getting there, just kind of. Oh, puddle. Contact solution. Oh, okay. Let me see if this one's gonna work. Right now, it's like marshmallowy. Oh, maybe this might be a marshmallow slime. Like it's everywhere. Ooh, it's coming along. It's kind of coming along. Yeah, this is still kind of creamy. Hold on, let me try my pink. Yeah. Okay. Let's hope this looks. Because as of right now, I don't think this slime is going to turn out. Yeah. So, bye guys, and I'm going to try to straighten it out. Bye.